The Rotaville Rota calendar keeps historical shift information for 12 months only. Shifts older than 12 months are automatically removed. And the system allows for shift planning up to 12 months in advance. Typically, depending on the workforce settings, all shifts being planned on the rota are visible to all employees. To help employees and other managers viewing the rota, shifts can have one of two statuses. Either they have confirmed status or draft status. Depending on the workforce setting, confirmed status for new shifts. Newly created shifts will have either draft or confirmed status. Draft status indicates to anyone viewing the rota that the shift is still in its planning stage and that its times and staff assignments may change. When the manager has finalized all the shift details, they can click the draft, open clock face icon to confirm the shift. Confirmed shifts indicate to anyone viewing the rota that shift is finalized and will be occurring as currently scheduled. On the rota view, draft shifts are shown with the open clock face icon, and confirmed shifts with the closed solid clock face icon. Also, confirmed shifts are shown with a solid black title, and draft shifts show with a gray italic title. This difference is seen on the employee rota view. PDF printouts. Rotaville user homepage. And also on the Rotaville mobile apps. Depending on the individual user notification settings of connected employees, when a shift is created, assigned, updated, or confirmed, the employee might be sent an email or mobile push notification. Confirmed shifts can be reverted to draft status by clicking again on the clock face icon. Depending on the workforce settings chosen by the managers, connected employees can see either only their assigned shifts or all shifts on the rota. In both cases, the manager might wish to plan shifts in private, and then, when ready, make them visible or publish them. Private shift planning can be achieved by changing the workforce setting, show draft shifts, to no. Only managers can see draft shifts. With this set, employees will only see confirmed shifts. Also, when show draft shifts is set to no, another workforce setting is automatically set. The setting, auto-confirm shifts days before, must be set to at least 7 days, so that upcoming shifts will be visible to employees with adequate notice. Depending on your everyday business process, you might like to manually or automatically confirm shifts 1, 2, 3, or more weeks or months in advance. Managers can confirm a whole day of shifts by clicking on the Confirm All Shifts icon in each day row. Also, managers can confirm a whole week of shifts in a single click, by clicking on the Confirm All Shifts icon in each week row on the month view. Some businesses don't use the draft and confirmed shift status feature. Instead, they operate with all confirmed shifts being visible all the time. How managers use this feature in their scheduling workflow is up to them. Thank you.